Yo, what's hood? Everybody on YouTube, man, it's your boy PM Kicks, man. I am back with another unboxing for y'all today, man. But before we get into this unboxing, make sure you hit that thumbs up button if you like the content, man. Share the video, friends, family, gang members. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss another video, still review, unboxing, whatever I do, and subscribe to join the Playmaker gang, man. And I ain't finna talk your ears off. Finna get straight into this unboxing. I still got the table right here, so I'm just gonna cut the box open on the table. I ain't gonna do all that. I like this a little bit better because I don't have to blur out my address that much. Sometimes they be putting the addresses everywhere. And what we have here, Jordan 13 box. And these are some Air Jordan 13 retros. Colorway on this is black and university red. Probably already know what this is. The only 13 that really came out that was worth getting in a while, besides that he got games. Stock X, of course, receipt, the what's names, and I like these better in person. And of course, you know that the tag always comes on the left shoe. The Stock X tag always comes on the left shoe. There you go. So the review will be coming from the right shoe. Let me give y'all that full 360 look of the shoe all the way around. Yeah, I like these way better in person. Now let me tell you why I'm kind of mad that I got this when I got this. And it's a nice pair. Oh, okay, I can see the red stuff on the back, but not on the, oh yeah, I can see a little bit on the side too. But let me tell you why I'm mad I got these. I got these literally a week too early. Like seriously, a week too early. I bought these for retail, which was, you know, the not retail, but the Nike factory retail. I got these for, which was $160 on Stock X, but it wasn't $160 total. It was like $147 and then the $13 shipping and shit, so it equaled up to like $160. And literally the next week after that, these was going for like $120. I'm like, get the fuck out of here. I seen the sale for like $117. I'm like, wow, I could have saved like $30, but you know, it's $30, whatever. But anyways, man, we're gonna start with this toe box on these 13 joints, man. And you know, you get that little tumble effect. It's not tumble, it's kind of, I won't say it's stiff, but it's not real soft and plush. But you got that tumble effect going on with that. When you press it in, you get that spider effect. On the side, like no lie, this suede, it actually feels good. Like it's not dry or nothing. It's suede. You even get some little motions. You see that? Then you brush it this way. You even get some backstroke motion. And it got like, this how those wheat 13s, not the original ones, but the all little wheat ones should have been with the suede going down here. I like that when they had the suede going all the way. And this is like some, I don't know. This feel like a bomber jacket. But yeah, this got a little nice feel. They should have put the 3M on here though, with all the little circles. They should have put 3M on here like the old Flint's. And of course, you have the Jordan right there on the back flap. You have that Roman numeral. Yeah, I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, you can. You have the Roman numeral 13 behind the flap. I mean, I guess they pointed out this university red Jumpman with this tongue is about as tumble as it get. Tongue nice and soft. Got that red university Jumpman right there. On this side, some more of that. This suede is not that bad at all. You got that hologram, that panther eye right there. Bottom of the shoe, your panther paw. Got a red panther eye right there. The paws are all university red, blacked out carbon fiber right there. Oh, okay. I like that. They actually put Melo's signature symbol on the inside. I like that. You know, you have that yellow. I don't know why they even put the yellow in the color code for whatever reason. But yeah, man. Real quick, real dope pickup, man. Midsole, you got the all black panther paw going around. Let me know if y'all copped. Did y'all pass on it? Y'all like, these B grades, I don't want them. But man, let me know what. Did y'all cop? Y'all pass on them? What y'all think about these Melo 13s? Comment all that down below. We can talk about it in the comment section. And yeah, man, don't forget, hit that thumbs up button if you like the content, man. Share the video. Friends, family, gang members, hit that notification bell so you won't miss another video. Still review, unboxing from the StockX Hokage, whatever I do. And subscribe to join a Playmaker gang, man. And we out this gym. I'm trying to get my jeans stuck.